Quick heads up, you'll thank me later for showing you this. What surprised me the most is how premium it feels for such an affordable price. It's the kind of product that makes you think, why didn't I get this earlier? Click the link in the description. You won't regret checking this one out. Hey friends, you need to see this. Trust me, it's worth it. It's been trending for a reason. People keep buying it and leaving amazing reviews. The build quality feels great. It works exactly as described, and honestly, it's better than I expected. If you're curious, tap the link below and check it out before the deal's gone. Quick heads up, you'll thank me later for showing you this. So many people are talking about it because it actually delivers. Smooth performance, solid design, and it's super easy to use. Definitely worth checking out. Seriously, don't miss it. Click the link in the description and thank me later. Yo, I just found something everyone's talking about lately. What surprised me the most is how premium. Quick heads up, you'll thank me later for showing you this. What surprised me the most is how premium